Hello everyone, I'm Vanshika Bhoguna and today I'm going to tell you that how can you learn English in 1 month. So first of all, it takes time for everything, but if you want to achieve a goal as fast as possible, so you have to work hard for it. So first, consistent. If you want to learn English as fast as possible and also in 1 month, so what you have to do, you have to learn and read English daily in a specific time. Second, immerse yourself, means surround yourself in English as much as possible. For that, what you can do, you can watch English movies, you can read English books, and also you can watch English podcasts. Third, reading. Reading is very necessary whenever it comes to speaking and learning English. You have to read books in English daily. Fourth, record yourself. Sometimes what happens, people used to hesitate when it comes to public speaking. So what you can do, you can talk to yourself in the front of mirror and then you can record yourself and then you can hear those recordings. By this, what will happen, you will get to know that where is the point of improvement, where you have to improve. Fifth, conversation. Conversation plays a very vital role in speaking. What you can do, you can do conversation with some native speakers or language expertise who are expert in the language. Thank you.